Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. Today I bring a new launch cloud mining website. Here you start mining without investment. In this video I will try to explain about this website, so let's begin. The name of this website is coinpulse. It's multi-cryptocurrency cloud mining website. Here you mine Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Dogecoin, Tron, USDT and many other coins which you mine without investment. If you want to earn money from this website, then I recommend you to start mining as soon as possible, because it's new and it's not a certified company, so I don't know how much time it active. Basically these type of websites are active for some months. If you start immediately, then you can earn something. I will provide the link of this website in the description box of this video. If you press on this link, then you will come directly to this website. For start mining, you need to create an account here. If you create a new account, then company will give you 4.5 USD as a welcome bonus, which you can start mining here. To create an account, first press sign up button above. Then a checkout page will open here. First write your username and email address. Then write a strong password and write this password again for confirmation. Then verify the captcha and press here. Your account will be successfully created. When your account is created, you can log in to this website at any time. To log in, press the sign in button above. Then a login page will open here. Write your email address and password. Then verify the captcha and press the login button. Then your account will be successfully logged in. Then such a dashboard will open in front of you. All information of your account given here. You will get 450 BSS power as a welcome bonus for mining here. It's important part of this website because your mining speed depends on your BSS power. The more BSS power you have, the more profit you can earn from here. You can increase your BSS power by free and investment here. To start mining, select coin you like and drag the slider to the desired percentage. The maximum can be 100% for all coins. You can mine multiple coins at the same time, but I recommend you to mine in single coin because this way you will have to withdraw quickly. Now let's tell about investment. If you want to earn a lot of money and withdraw quickly, then you can invest here. But before that, I don't recommend anyone for this because I am not a financial advisor. If you want, then do it at your own risk. Before investment, you should take proper research about this website. Only I will show you the deposit process because it's my duty. To invest here, press the menu button and select deposit option. Here select coin you like and below write the amount. Here you will see the USD value and below you can see all information about your plan. At last, press the deposit now button. Then a checkout page will open. Here a deposit address given. You will send the exact amount to this address. This can take a few minutes or hour for active your plan. Let's say about withdrawal. Here is the minimum withdrawal amount of this website. You can pause this video and see it. If your minimum withdrawal requirement complete here, then you will be eligible for withdrawal. To withdraw, press the menu button and select the withdraw option. If you want, you can swap any coin. Then scroll down, press the withdraw button in that crypto which you interest. Then a checkout page will open. Here write the amount and paste deposit address from your exchange. Then press the withdraw button. Your withdrawal processing will start. It takes 5 to 30 minutes for complete transaction, but in some case it takes a long period. If it's happen, then you can message them in Telegram privately. Press Telegram icon. Then you can direct message them about your problem, so don't worry. You can increase your BSS power without investment. Here you can make a lot of profit through affiliate marketing. Press the menu option and select affiliate option. Here you get 2-level referral commission if they invest here. Otherwise you will get 1 BSS power for every new member registration. Scroll down. Here is your referral link. Share this link with your friends, family member and any social media platform. The more people join this website through your link, the more profit you can earn from here. So refer more and more. If you can't refer anyone, then don't worry. In this website, you can also increase your BSS power without investment. It's bonus system. Press the menu button and select bonus option. Press it. Then you will get maximum 5 BSS power. It's short but free. You will claim it every 5 hours. So that was today's video. Thanks for staying with us so far. If this video is helpful for you, then like this video. If you like to watch such more crypto mining and earning related video in the future, then you can press the subscribe button and join in our little family. Hope you will be with us. I will share the payment proof of this website in our Telegram channel. If you want, you can join in our Telegram channel for new updates. So goodbye for today. See you in a new video. Until stay good, stay healthy and stay with us. Goodbye.